everybody. My name is Mrs. Busch, and I'm going to be your third grade teacher this year. I am so excited to get to meet you and get to start this year together on Monday morning. We are going to have the best year, and I can't wait to learn and grow together. I do want to share a little bit about myself because normally you would get to come into school and get to see the classroom. So this is our way of getting you to feel like, hey, you know a little bit about who I am and what we're going to be learning this year, which is the most important thing of all. So a little bit about me. This is my 8th year of teaching, and as you could tell, I hope you can. Teaching is my passion. I love to be a teacher. It's my favorite thing to do. I also love to be active and to do sports. My husband and I live super close to the school, so lots of times I ride my bike to work, which is one of my favorite things to do. Mr. Busch and I, we love to watch the Green Bay Packers play. We go to Wisconsin all the time, and we just get to see them play. This year, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but fingers crossed there might be a season. I love coffee and donuts, so each morning you'll probably see me with my big cup of coffee. That's how I start my morning. You know I love teaching. That's my class from last year. And my family and I, we like to go camping and hiking together. So this year, we're going to be learning a lot of different things. And this is a huge jump from 2nd grade. We are moving from primary to intermediate. So some of the big things we're going to be doing this year is we're going to be reviewing lots of foundational reading, which is what you did a lot last year in 2nd grade. And we're going to be obviously reading some harder level texts that are on grade level. And we're going to be doing a lot of different skills. We're going to be using text evidence in almost everything we do, thinking about different characters. And for writing, we're going to be doing all sorts of narrative, informative, persuasive, and research. Now, a lot of you said you love math. So this year, our math is going to be over 7 different modules, okay? So the first one, we're going to be talking a lot about number sense and how numbers can be placed on a number line, and that also includes fractions. We're going to be doing lots of computation, adding, subtracting, but this year we're doing a lot of multiplication and division. Algebraic thinking means like problem solving, and it's using all of those operations to problem solve. Geometry, which are shapes and thinking about their attributes, and then also looking at polygons and partitioning them. Measurement, we're going to be measuring not just grams and kilograms, but also time, minutes, and that also includes area and perimeter. And our last big component is data analysis, which is where we're going to look at graphs, bar graphs, and really understand what's happening. Now, this is what your math book looks like, so you should have got this, and we're going to start the year using this. It's going to be a good resource that you'll have with you right at home. I did forget to talk about reading. This is your reading book, right? So you got your My Book, and this is where we're going to be using this, and we'll talk about it on Monday a little bit more what that looks like. This is the 3rd grade teachers this year. So you might have some friends in 3rd grade, and they might have Miss DeGraff or Miss Fromm. So this is what they look like. They might look familiar. These are pictures that were at school, so kind of fun having other friends that have other teachers. Something that I also wanted to make sure that you know is that this year you might be working with other teachers than just me. So Miss Sellers and Miss Muriel work for our title team. You might see some familiar faces there. Mrs. Button and Mrs. Allen, they're part of our SPED, our special education team. And then Mrs. Santiago and Mrs. Jacob, they are our ELL teachers. So all of these teachers here might reach out to you, and I just want to make sure that you know if you see or hear from one of these people, that they'll be working with your child and helping to push them and become a better and stronger learner. Last but not least, you can contact me anytime. This is my email address right here. Dojo, you're all connected. That's a quick way to message me, kind of like a text message. And of course, this is the school phone number that Mr. Tim will probably pick up, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This was a pretty short and sweet presentation, but I just wanted you to get to know me a little bit more. feel free to go back. There's lots of texts. I wanted to make sure that you had some good information for parents and families at home too. But I cannot wait to see each and every one of you Monday morning. Remember, this paper that was in your folder is going to be really, really important because this is how you're going to log in each morning. You're going to go to Clever. So make sure you have your username. Now, something they left off here is they left off how you have to have your whole email address. So in your folder, I wanted to show you one more thing to make sure that no one gets stuck. You have this kind of a cheat sheet, and it tells you how you go to Clever, and it actually lists your email address right here. So I would make sure that you not only have this paper, but you also have this paper for how you log into Clever, okay? Good luck, everybody. I can't wait to see each and every one of you soon and meet you all officially. If you have any questions at all before Monday, please reach out to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.